Hey guys, welcome back.
Hi guys.
Today we've got some work to do with these potatoes.
Yep,
You guys see them back there? They're looking pretty dead, so we're thinking it's about time that we harvest those bad boys.
that's for sure. Let's pull all these containers out and look for little potato treasures.
That's right. Little treasure hunt today, so let's get to
All
it.
right.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these dead stems because then they won't get in the way while we are harvesting. Next, we're going to remove these potatoes from that row by using a hand truck and then putting them on a tarp.
All right, so let's check out our treasures that we have in here. All right, let's start with the first one. We're just gonna dump them out here on this tarp and see what we got going on. Well, looks like our potato day is over because it's starting to rain. So what I want to show you guys is look what we have here. Okay, some of this has been a disappointment and others were kind of a surprise. Like for example, can you see this pile here? These guys were those Adirondack blue and they were teeny tiny when I planted them. And yeah, it's not a huge potato, but it's still bigger than what I was expecting. And that grouping right there is one bag. So how we have these laying here is one bag's worth. Okay, one bag, one bag. The one that is red there that has a white mix, those are a couple different, 3 bags actually in there. So then you're wondering, is this even worth it to do because you don't get all that much out of a bag? Well, it depends on what your goal is. If you want to grow them yourself and know what is in the soil and all that kind of stuff, then yes, this is definitely worth it. But this year, I would say for us, as far as success goes, I would say the red ones were the best because you see that pile way over there and in that one, that's one whole bag. So really, I planted all of these the same. They had all the same nutrients, all the same soil, all the same everything, except these red ones totally outperformed the others. So next year, I'm just going to probably get better seed potatoes and actually know what I'm growing because these were in my basement and I just used what I already had in the basement and I'm not really sure what I had down there. So, what say you?
I say they don't have pesticides on them, and that's a big plus.
Well, that's true. That's true. No
So,
pesticides, herbicides, all the ides that we just don't want. And that
yep,
is why we're growing these potatoes.
yep.
So, thank you so much for spending time with us today while we dug through some bags of potatoes. And we'll see you guys next time.
Take care.